How's it going, my Aussie friends back in Ausland? This is Mick. I'm in Louisville, Kentucky, USA. It's -8 degrees out here. This is the first time I've had her out in the snow since I've had it. About 4.5 years now, and she's been in the shop for 4. But anyway, that's another story. So the Holden SSV is getting its first dandruff coating. So look at this. So we usually get snow here about a month a year or so. But yeah, she's cold as bowls. But anyway, let's crank it up, eh? Got the remote here. Oh, there it goes. Let's get a bit of a look at it. Well, sorry about that. I'm getting covered. Anyway, there she is, fellas and ladies. But yeah, hope you all guys are staying safe back there. I know it's a pretty crazy time. Your government's insane, but whatever. That's it, guys. Peace out. I appreciate yous.